typically, you know, you assess him similarly to people. So I'm not doing too much adjustments on him right now because he's pretty good for neck stuff. No, well, maybe a little bit on this side. Usually when they're a little less giving, that means it's probably some tension up in there. But you can do extremities on dogs. You can do their toesies, especially like hunting dogs. They really like to grip with their toes to get that traction going. The big thing for dogs too, or cats, is that you need somewhere underneath to help stabilize. For us, it would be an adjusting table, but for me, it's got to be my hand. Good job, buddy. You gotta do your hips though. Your hips are your biggest problem. I know. Can you stay right there, please? Thank you. Good job. Good job. Yeah, scratch it out. All right, can you sit? Thank you. His toesies are doing pretty good. Yeah, your toesies are good. Stand. Oh, yeah. Good job, buddy. Typically too, for adjustments, since this is my dog, I don't have a handler. Otherwise, typically I'll have an owner help distract their face or whatever we gotta do. Especially for our first timer, they get pretty nervous. But after a few sessions, they get pretty used to it. Good job, buddy. And our patient today does not have a tail. He has a nub for a tail, but you could always adjust the tail as well.